Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Qatar. But before that, we need to find whether Qatar is in the PayPal's services list or not. So in order to do that, you will have to simply use this link and you will have to paste it in the search bar, whether you are using mobile or your laptop or PC. I will put the link of it down in the description, so you need to click on it and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here you will have to press Ctrl+F on your keyboard, and here you need to simply search for Qatar. As you can see that Qatar is in the list, so if you are able to find it, simply click on it and then you will be landed on the home page of PayPal. Now over here, click on the sign in option in the top right hand corner. Select whether you want to choose a personal account or a business account. Now most of you would be interested in creating personal account on PayPal. So select the personal account and press continue in the bottom. Now here you will have to provide your email address and press next. On the next page, you will have to fill out certain details, so you will have to provide those in order to create your account on Qatar. It is a very simple and straightforward process. You will have to just provide the information what you are asked for. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.